Please, no comments about not wearing a top. I've been trekking for the last 30 minutes and we are bang in the middle of a jungle in North Koh Phangan. We're going to the famous Bottle Beach. We've got another 30 minutes to go. And all across this terrain, it was quite strenuous. Up, down, slidey, ropes. Opens up beauty like this. I can't wait to get to Bottle Beach, go for a swim, get some pad kapow, top up my energy, and then trek that way. Because our motorbikes are somewhere over that mountain. Just in the middle of nowhere. Trees, rocks, and a little path to navigate. And we're going down there next. I think I've got a tired family. That was a long 1 hour trek, but we're here. Wow, the sea is very strong up here. But this is Bottle Beach. That's a good idea, isn't it, Danny? There's going to be no swimming in those waters. They are rough. We are at the northernmost point of Koh Phangan. We're standing on the west side of the island, and the seas are much calmer this time of year. Bottle Beach Resort. Well done. Go on, Danny. So we've walked this far, we might as well walk to the end of this beach. What a shame about the weather. It's cold. Well, by Thailand standards.
Oh, it's cold.
And then we got that hour back. I'm not looking forward to that walk. Shame we can't swim. That was some exercise. My legs were shaking. My poor kids. I've got the rucksack, that's my excuse. This is Bottle Beach. Shame about the strong tides. Look though, I'm halfway. We're going back over that, and somewhere over there is our motorbike. That's going to take us just over an hour. Oh, deep breath, keep safe, down about Thailand.